Welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Learning with IBK. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, and please also press bell icon.
There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. These words should be arranged in a proper way to make a sentence. Noun. A noun is a person, animal, place, or thing. For example, boy, dog, school, book. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word that used to replace a noun. For example, I, you, he, she, we, they.
Smith is my best friend. He is a good singer. Pronoun in this sentence is he.
Verb. A verb is a word that used to describe an action or a feeling. For examples, run, wash, eat, read, drink, buy, swim.
I wash my face. The verb in this sentence is wash. I drink water. The verb in this sentence is drink.
Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. For examples, quickly, loudly, slowly, easily, quietly.
The boy can run quickly. The adverb in this sentence is quickly. It describes the verb run. She reads quietly. The adverb in this sentence is quietly. It describes the verb read.
Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. For examples, kind, happy, funny, angry, big, small, beautiful.
It is a beautiful flower. The word beautiful is the adjective in this sentence. It describes the noun flower. I have blue shoes. The adjective verb in this sentence is blue.
Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that links other words together. For examples, and, but, for, so, because, or.
I like chips and pizza. Here the conjunction word is and. It combines the words chips and pizza. He is sick, so he should take a rest. The conjunction word in this sentence is so.
Preposition. Preposition is a word that we use before a noun or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. For examples, on, in, at, behind.
The sun is behind the clouds. The preposition in this sentence is behind. The cat is in the box. The preposition in this sentence is in.
interjection. Interjections are words that communicate emotions or feeling. An interjection has no grammatical relationship with any other word in the sentence. Oops, wow, and yay are some most commonly used examples for interjections. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. These words